The Lyon Air Museum exhibit is comprised of authentic aircrafts, rare vehicles, and related memorabilia, with a focus on World War II, and now for a limited time, it will also feature World War II's influence on hot rods. Now showing through Labor Day. Near the 405, 73, and 55 freeways, the Lyon Air Museum is located on the west side of John Wayne Airport in Orange County, California, and it's open every day from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. The entire museum is housed in one large hangar. It's not air-conditioned, so it can get quite warm during the summertime, so keep that in mind. You can expect to spend about an hour, give or take, browsing through all of the displays available. One side of the hangar has an opening that allows you to have a partial view of John Wayne Airport's runways. Standing there for about 5 to 10 minutes will allow you to catch an airplane or two, or a helicopter land or take off. That's pretty cool.